Hey friends, if you wish to know what FileRepMalware is, then please watch this video. I have covered this topic extensively, so I know this because a lot of users claim that they know that the file that they are downloading is a genuine file, but it is categorized as FileRepMalware by third-party antivirus software products. So is it actually a malware? The answer is no. It is a tag, I'll mention it, a tag used by third-party antivirus software products to tag software products which are not as popular or which are not well known or which are not signed, which are not identified, which are not verified. It does not necessarily mean that that software or that file will be a malware or a virus, but it can be. So you need to decide accordingly. Now here's what I do. I try to scan it with a different antivirus, but it is not necessary that you may have it each and every time. So simply do one thing, go to this website virustotal.com. It allows you to scan URLs, files, and even search for them. So let's say it's a file. I'll pick up a random file from my system and I'll upload it, and it's all for free, okay? And then I will confirm upload, and then it will check whether it has a virus or not. Okay, it's starting to check. So this is an excellent tool to check whether your file is actually genuine or it has a virus. Or you can use those analytic versions of those free antivirus software products. They may not be able to filter out viruses from your system, but they can at least tell you whether that file has a virus or not. They can at least analyze it, and that will be helpful. Now, as you can see, it says that no security vendors or sandboxes have flagged this file as malicious. It still means that there is a 0.1% chance that this file that I have uploaded could be a virus, but we have to take chances in life. Okay, so this is what the case is. And here's what I personally do. I always try to scan my system with Windows security. So go to Windows security, virus and threat protection, and scan options, full scan, scan now. Why do I scan my system with Windows security and not third-party antivirus software products? Because a lot of third-party antivirus products have become very, very overprotective these days, while Windows security is more than sufficient for most computers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.